This is the elevator at a public parking garage in Bradenton, Florida. We're gonna go 1. Here we are at 1. We're gonna go up to 4. Actually, listen to the chime. So, up to 4. Here we are at 4. Now let's go back down to, we're gonna end it down at 1. This elevator is kind of slow, but it does the job. I believe there's 2 in this garage, and one of them is out of order. There's a security camera up there. There's an emergency number right here. Well, actually, just call 911. Or use this phone right here. There's your inspection certificate. And there it goes. And that'll be it.